Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to pay someone on Upwork. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that a contractor has completed your work on Upwork. How do you actually go ahead and pay someone using Upwork? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So in order to do this, what you're first going to do is hop into messages. And then next, we're going to find the individual who we want to go ahead and pay. So this here is a contractor where he's already submitted his work. Now the way that Upwork works is that it works in escrow held payments. So before Jamie actually went ahead and did the work, we set up a contract and I paid him through escrow where the money's actually kept. Once he delivered the work, there's going to be something that looks like this where milestone 3, start collecting 2025, due date, the amount. All you've got to do in order to pay him is click on view details, and then you'll see that he submitted work on his contract. This page here is going to automatically pop up, and all you've got to do is go ahead and click on pay now. Now once you click on pay now, the payment from escrow that I talked about earlier is going to be released to Jamie, and there you have it. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and pay someone on Upwork. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.